That is for you. Make sure you keep it locked. And tell everyone across the Bronx that is about to get...